Technology is updating so faster and becoming powerful. But are we updating ourselves? Hello, I'm Sajal from Dhaka, Bangladesh. I'm a second year undergrad student of Daffodil International University, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Till my fifth semester, my average GPA is 3.98. I've completed my SSC from Government Science College at High School with GPA 5. Now it's named Government Science High School. I have also completed my SSC from the same ground, Government Science College, with GPA 4.67. I'm a multilingual person. I'm fluent in Bengali and English, and I also learning Japanese from the lockdown. Konnichiwa! I'm also multilingual at programming languages. Till now, I'm expert in 4 different programming languages: Java, C, C++, and Python. I have 3 software projects. One is bank management system with C, another one is Sudoku game with Java Swing, and my best project was TooSmart, which is a note-taking Android application. And I also made a website for the app along with my team. I have also 2 electronic projects. One is firefighting robot, another one is fire and gas detection alert system. My specialty is Python. I'm developing myself for machine learning. I'm a team leader. I always try to lead my team in an effective way. I'm a media and publication secretary of DIU Robotics Club and an executive member of DIU Computer and Programming Club. I always love volunteering. I was the regular volunteer of Mojar School. When I teach someone about something and they realize and give a smile, this smile makes me happier than them. That's why I love instructing and teaching. I was lab prefect in 3 different classes, and I also took a Art of Living class as prefect. I also took 2 webinars. One is about BLC and online exam submission. Another one is about Google Site. I also was instructor of 4-week long course Essential ICT Skills, where I taught 4 different must-needed ICT skills to my students. I have also a YouTube channel, TechMate Sajal, where I love to instruct about new technologies. I'm also skilled at Linux, CLI, Git and GitHub. I'm also good at presentation. I was participated in Battle of Minds 1.0 and I was the mentor for Battle of Minds 2.0. I'm a calm, dedicated and positive person. I'm also an explorer. My hobby is to explore new technology and new beautiful places. My favorite sports is cricket. I always love to play cricket when I get a chance to play. That's all about me. Thanks for your time. Hope to meet you soon.